Hi, this is Terry with Trusted Water. I'd like to show you how easy it is to assemble our new TapSnap flushing surveillance monitors. When your TapSnap flushing surveillance monitor arrives, it will come in 4 pieces. A clear plastic housing, a printed circuit board assembly with a battery holder, a half-cell AA battery, and a battery holder or battery clip, and a portion that will clip onto your water outlet. The first thing that you want to do is to decide if you want to change the stagnation timer. TapSnap automatically comes set to 1 week stagnation time. If you want to change that to 1 month, you'll need to change the setting of the switch on the PCBA by moving it into the down position. Right now we have the sensor set for 1 week, which is the standard mode. Installing the battery is simple. On the back of the battery holder is a diagram showing how the battery should be placed in the holder. Install the battery and you should see the light flash 4 times green. That indicates that a new battery has been installed and the sensor is ready to be operated. You should see a red flashing light, meaning we need to flush the sensor to reset the timer to green. The next thing is to simply slide in the PCBA with the battery into the clear plastic housing. And finally, we want to attach the battery clip by putting the 2 prongs into the holes on either side of the housing. Make sure you press tightly till you hear a snap, showing the sensor has been assembled correctly. And that's it.